Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. What I want to do is use these items from the Dollar Tree to try to make some Valentine's Day trees. So I'm using the flexible cutting boards, and I picked up a pencil cup that I'm going to use upside down to be the base to kind of weigh it down. I just fold the cutting mat into a cone shape like that to form the tree, which is so easy to do. I put some hot glue right here on the corner to glue that into place, and then try this cup on for size. I need it to be exactly the right size. I glue it together at the bottom as well, and then I just have to cut off the excess mat here at the bottom. It's super easy to cut this, and this is just the flexible cutting mats from the kitchen department of the Dollar Tree. The point of the pencil cup is to kind of weigh down the bottom of the tree so it will stand up and be sturdy. Otherwise, it's going to like fall over and stuff like that. I just put a little hot glue there on the bottom of the pencil cup so it will glue in place and it'll all be one piece and I can decorate it now. I did 3 of these on my YouTube channel and I went as sparkly and bling as I can on these. Now for this one, I want to cover it in some of the pink glitter Cricut vinyl from the Dollar Tree. This is only like 50 cents right now. And I am just going to put it around the shape of the cone, the same size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on some poster board first. So this is the Dollar Tree poster board that comes in the little packages. So much easier to deal with than the big pieces of poster board. The reason that I put it on the poster board first and didn't just put it directly on the cutting mat is the cutting mat had wrinkles in it from being folded, and I didn't want that to be picked up. That vinyl is really thin, and this way I get a nice smooth surface all over my tree. I'm going to put it together very similar to how I put together the cutting mat. I cut it in the specific shape so it would be just the right size. And then I just use hot glue to attach it to itself here at the end. Just like before, I have to cut off the excess material at the bottom to give me a flat bottom for our Valentine's Day tree. Now, I was thinking I just wanted these to be as sparkly as I could get them. And so I picked up lots of fun items from the Dollar Tree that I used to decorate these trees. This one is like the flower shaped stickers. This is a great garland for these because you can just start at the top and just start wrapping those around like you do garland on like a Christmas tree. And they have stickers on them already, so you can kind of like get it exactly where you want it. You can always kind of peel them off and put them back on. If you want it to be a little sturdier, you might want to add some hot glue, but I was able to get those to stay on pretty well. This is another version of this that I found from the Dollar Tree. It's also pink, very ornate, and I'm going to do the same thing with that one. So just going in between the other 2 garlands, I'm just going to continue this beautiful bling sticker all the way around. So I have like the hot pink glitter on the background, light pink for all of my jewels so far. These are like the little gemstones that are shaped like hearts. All these are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use them as ornaments for Valentine's Day. I think they're perfect. Lots of bling, and they're heart shaped, and they're the perfect color to go with this one. I'm just going to put them all over the tree, just like decorating a Christmas tree. And I wanted to do 3 of these. I did them in different sizes and I decorated them all differently, and I love how they all look together displayed as a set. This one is looking really good. I really like it. Lots of bling, exactly what I wanted. For a tree topper, I'm going to use some of the foam glitter hearts from the Dollar Tree. Just the right scale for this and very lightweight for the tree topper. I just attach it to the top of the tree with a little bit of hot glue. And it also fills in the hole nicely on the top of the tree. It's heavy duty since I have that pencil cup in there, stands up well, and I think it turned out so beautiful. Here it is, our little Valentine's Day tree. If you'd like more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.